1st April isn't just April Fool's Day. It's the start of a new financial year, and this time, some important changes are coming that can directly affect your salary, taxes, and daily life. So before this new financial year begins, here's everything you need to know. Let's start with something that impacts almost everyone, your salary. Under the new structure, basic salary plus dearness allowance must be at least 50% of your total CTC. Now this sounds simple, but the impact is important. In the short term, your take-home salary may actually decrease. Because a higher basic salary means a higher contribution towards EPF. But here's the long-term benefit. You'll have higher savings in your provident fund, better gratuity, and stronger financial security over time. So essentially, less in hand now, but more saved for the future. Now let's talk about taxes. The government is moving towards a more simplified tax system. Fewer complicated sections, standardized deductions, and less confusion overall. Even ITR filing is becoming easier. Pre-filled forms will already include your salary details, interest income, and TDS. This means faster filing and quicker refunds. But there's a trade-off. You get simplicity, but less flexibility to adjust and claim deductions. There are also some changes in allowances. Meal allowance has increased, which is a small but useful benefit. But on the other hand, HRA rules are getting stricter. Now, to claim HRA, your landlord's PAN details will be mandatory. This helps reduce fake claims and improves transparency. Now here's something very practical. If you leave a job, your full and final settlement must be completed within just 2 days. Earlier, this could take weeks, even months. So this change makes the process faster and more employee-friendly. However, gratuity payments can still take up to 30 days. Another major update is in digital payments. Two-factor authentication will now be mandatory. Every payment will require an extra layer of verification, like OTP, PIN, or biometric. This is mainly to reduce fraud and improve security. If your PAN is not linked with Aadhaar, this is something you cannot ignore anymore. Linking is now mandatory. Otherwise, your PAN can become inactive. This step helps eliminate fake identities and improves tax compliance. There are also a few changes that affect everyday life. FASTag annual pass prices have increased slightly. And train ticket refund rules are now stricter. If you cancel at the last moment, you may not get a refund. So planning ahead becomes important. If you look at all these changes together, there's a clear pattern. The focus is on transparency, better compliance, stronger digital systems, and long-term financial security. Even if it means slightly less flexibility in the short term. So as the new financial year begins, these are the changes that can directly impact you. Understanding them now can help you make better financial decisions later. For more such insights, simplified explanations, and regular academic updates, students can connect with ProTutorex and stay informed.